Variable argument example 3 dot py. Already is there, huh? So 4 dot py. 4 dot py. 4 dot py. Are you following me? Execute. Execute. Py. 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 This function. Oh, sorry. What is that? 4 dot py. 4 dot py. Am I getting the university name or not? University name I am getting. Right? Now, come on to the point back. Come on to the point back. Here I am changing my sentence and I am trying to write here. Carefully understand. Start. Observe it. Careful students. Be careful. No tension at all. Start. 1 is stored in where? S and O. R is stored in where? And 10 is stored in where? UN. 10 is stored in where? That time what is the values? No values are present. Just execute. Just execute. It was 4, right or not? Yes. Execute. You see that. What is happening? You see. Beginning you see. What is the beginning? What is the university? Sum is what? Actually, what is the university? KV University. But it is assigning what? The variable length argument is going in what? It is going in that order. It is going in the same order or not? Are you following? So, if at all I am using such type of things like that, is a problem or not? So, how do you write? What is the correct order? Variable length, default argument, or competitive to go for last. But which one is the last recommended? Default. Before that, variable length. Is it okay? So, go to the point. Go to the point. I am writing like this. Understand? Right. Now I am going to introduce, execute this, and save this, and see this now. Done. Perfectly. Last one is no value is available like this. Okay, now? Shall I move forward? Now, I will take it. This is called what, 4.py. Why it is not coming like that? Now I will take the same thing. Observe it. I am going to pass it like this. See, I am writing like this. You come on to the point. Here I am writing. I want to pass. This is a person. He is not passing any value. Here I am writing OU, for example. Usmania University. So it is called what? Hyderabad University. So Hyderabad University I am passing. Where it is going? Where it is going? Star vowels. Star vowels, what are you doing? Are you adding or not? That time you will get what? Numerical value 0 cannot add with that. You see that? 5. 5. Very, very perfect example. So, save this example. Run this code. Run this code. 5 dot. Last one is error is coming or not? Unsupported. Int value plus str value cannot be added. All of them I got the answer. But we got everything got answer. But last one is getting problem. Right or not? So this is a problem. So now I want to say, pass the data now. Pass the data now. Come on. UN is equal to I am passing. What is this is called? Keyword arguments. What is that? That means UN is passing to UN or not? What is the first two? What is the next one? Very good. Execute now. Execute now. Getting the answer called HYD University or not? Others are KU University like that. Getting or not? Easy or difficult? Easy. Next. Next. Be careful. I am writing. One of the most important. I am saying UN is equal to Madras University, MU, Madras University. S name is equal to SN is equal to SNO no. SNO is equal to what? Something like 8. Next is called what? S name is equal to something like Dilip. I am writing. Next I will pass what? Next I will pass, you see how I am passing the data. You see 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Follow me carefully. Tell me, is it valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Huh? Sure. First one I will take. This I will take it as the first one because to explain the flow. Okay. Start. What is this now? UN will go to UN, right? SNO will go to SNO, right? Next, S name will go to S name, right? Next, you are thinking this 1, 2, 3, 4 will go to where? Now, it is called error. It is looking like what? Positional params. These are looking like what? Keyword arguments. Where I shown you, sir, that kind of thing? Where you have shown, sir, that kind of thing? One of our Nagendra asked a question, doubt asked a question. Sir, you write that error in the notes also, sir. You see, students, A is equal to B is equal to 10. After that, 40, 30. Is it not looking like that? Is it not looking like that? Yes, sir. So go to that. Students in the online. So coming to the point back, it is an error or not? Error. See that pure. Please run this code. Please run this code and execute. A variable argument example 5. You see, students, this is an error. What is that? Positional argument follows. See, this symbol says what? Like this. Are you following or not? So, sir, then how do you pass it, sir? You see, students, I will take it and go to where? Like this you say. Are you following me? Now, is it valid or invalid? Valid or invalid? Sure. Now see, what is these two things are called? Four things are called positional. Spell out. What is one is going to? One is going to. Two is going to. And next 4 is going. 3 is going to. Come on. And UN go to where? UN. SNO goes to where? SNO. Already SNO contains one value or not? And it cannot hold a second value because it is not a star param now. So it is called error or not? Yes. See how much stuff is there? Execute. Execute, students. See the error. What is that? Read that. Find some. Got multiple values for SNO. Already which value was sent? Again which value going? Is it a problem or not? Yes. Are you following me? Then how do you solve this issue, sir? How do you solve this issue, sir? Then you must pass. Come on now. SNO place is SNO. SNO place is SNO. Next is what? Name place is name you need to pass. Name place is name you need to pass. Something like RS or something like RT. And next is called what? Marks place is called what? Marks place is called what? 22.22. Marks is there, huh? No. So values are there. You pass the values. 1 comma 2 comma 3. Next is what? You need to write u name is equal to like this you need to pass it. You have seen all the possibilities, right or not? So first whenever you use like that, you can pass only like this. You see, you can pass only like this. Already we used what? Arguments concept we already used. And you cannot pass any such type of things in another way. You have seen all possibilities here. You can pass like this. What I can write it here? You can write. So I can write like this. So I can write like this. You execute it now. You execute it now. First one, beginning one you see. Beginning one. What is this now? 8. KV University. 1, 2, 3. Sum is equal to what? 6. So what did you understand with this? Spell out all of you. What is these two are called? What is these two? 3 is called? Variable length arguments. What is this is called? Keyword argument. And what is this is called? Positional parameters. Variable length parameter. What is this is called? Is it mixed everything or not? Whenever you are using what? Variable length and what? Default. In the function call, you have to use what? Keyword argument in the last only. Keyword argument in the last only. You cannot write 1, 2, 3 here. We cannot write 1, 2, 3 here. Are you able to follow? You cannot write 1, 2, 3. If you write 1, 2, 3, that will become what? Variable, positional parameters, positional arguments. Confused? Understand? Right. So now I am going for answer. I will show you. Now I am going to show you what concept? Concept I will show you. Did you understand? Online students, this mechanism you see. Now I will open what? What concept? Variable length arguments concept I will show you. Shall we start? Go. Now I will take it from this place. I will take one small concept, students, that is called variable length arguments concept. I will take it. Variable length arguments concept I will bring it. So I will post it here, and in your place, where is it? Functions, and I will paste this notes. Observe it and see. Start reading. A big length description I gave. When we have family of multiple function calls with a variable number of values or arguments, then with a normal Python programming, we must define multiple function definitions. This process leads to more development time. To overcome this process, we must use the concept of variable length parameters. Up to that, okay? Normal Python programming says define call, define call, define call. Is it a waste of time? To implement variable length parameters concept, we must define single function definition and takes a formal parameter preceded with a symbol called asterisk, that is star param, and the formal parameter with asterisk symbol is called variable length parameter, and whose purpose is to hold or store any number of values coming from function calls, and whose type is class tuple. Class tuple. Easy? As syntax, student, syntax. DEF function name list of formal parameters means what? Positional. Next, after that, variable length. After that, default. Everything I am giving. Come on, read out. Here, star param is called variable length parameter, and it can hold any number of argument values or variable number of argument values, and star param type is tuple. Easy or difficult? Easy. Rule. Star param must be always written last part of the function heading, and it must be only one but not multiple. Understand? Next, another rule with the calling time I am calling. When we use variable length and default parameters in the function heading, we use a default parameter as a last. Before we use variable length parameter in function calls, we should not use default parameter as keyword argument, because variable number of values are treated as positional argument values. Already I told you the example. You cannot write this 1, 2, 3 in the last. You cannot write here 1, 2, 3 ma. That is called treated as which arguments? Positional argument. If at all we are using, you use what? Last one you use it as a keyword argument. We cannot use that variable argument as a positional arguments. Easy or difficult? Easy. This is called what concept? What concept this is? Variable length arguments. I hope students in the online. So I hope you practice it, my dear students, because I am explaining more depth of it. Without explaining, if I don't explain, you don't know this. Because of explaining more depth, because of that much mindset is not there. If you have already that, you will hold it. Going on deep, problems will come. You can swim a small well, but Bay of Bengal swim, Arabian Sea swimming, it's very difficult. Only a tiger swimmer only can go and swim. Small person cannot swim a Bay of Bengal, Arabian Sea. Is it? No, only big persons and good swimmers only can swim. Right or not? That's why practice it after going to home. What is this concept is called? Yes, how many values we are passing from function call to function definition? Positional value. 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3. Common values passing. Passing the value without order, keyword arguments. Passing one value, two values, three values, four values, five values without defining multiple functions. Passing variable length values to the same function definition. That is the one of the ultimate. Next one is there. What is that? Keyword variable length. Ultimate, that is. In the keyword variable length argument, I will use what? Variable length I will mix it. Keyword I will mix it. Default I will mix it. Positional I will mix it. Who will understand? We will see. That is Monday. Monday class. All things will be mixed together. Who will understand? We will see. That is called talent. Without, people can't discuss this. People can't. Data types only, two data types. All data types will not discuss. Then what to say? When I'm discussing depth of it, you enjoy that. Okay, na? I'll stop my class. Online students, if you are there, you stay there. I will talk to you. Right? Thank you, students. All the best. Monday class, don't miss it.